got slides. They got slides. Men's slides right here. That's kind of crazy. Got the dope Jordan display right here. And we are down to 50% off. Look at this. Look at this. Holy cow, you won't believe the price. Pretty much free. Like 7 cop cars here. What's going on? Culver City? Man, they catching a murder or something? Like 6 cop cars. God damn, dude. That's just a patrol stop? God damn, dude. All right. Out in Westfield, Culver City. Starting at Champs. This location does have the Ja ones right there. Do got LeBron's going for $100. The next gen's going for a little bit more. Okay. They got a few Ja ones going for 100. I think we've seen that almost everywhere, right? They got the Kyrie's going for 50 here. Do got the Kyrie's for 50. I'm looking for some budget basketball sneakers for somebody. Do got the Luka 2s right here. Have I seen this colorway? I don't know. Got a trio of them right there. Got these right here. The Westbrooks. The Westbrook, was it 0.5? I think. Like the budget ones. But yeah, these, you can actually wear these like, I don't know. I don't even think these look like basketball sneakers, but I think they technically are for hoops. Yeah, you can wear them for casual wear as well. Long hair, extra long hates wear actually on these suedes right here, but I've been liking these XLs, dude. Like the XLs right here. I think these went down. Did these go down $10? These go down $10. I don't know, $70 for those. Ultra Boost right here down to $100. Ultra Boost lights or the 20. These are the 23s. Okay, Ultra Boost, and then the NMD S1s right here, $100. I do like this colorway right here, going for $40. Oh, and they got extra colorways of these right here, the LaFrance. And these are the Mellows right here, the Mellow casual shoes, Pumas. These are pretty dope. I kind of like the super fat laces. And these ain't bad. These ain't bad at all. These are going for $110, so not super expensive. That's not bad at all. Got the Kobe PEs right here. Iversons, man. We've seen them for like $80 at some places. Some of the Champs have had them for $79.99, $100 over here. Then do got the Philly. Is this a Philly colorway? I don't know, but yeah, these are up to $170. 2002 Rs, New Balance 2002 Rs. Is that the cheapest? We've seen them $90. Remember, if you do have a survey coupon, one of mine just expired. I was trying to send it to someone by text message and it expired. I was so sad. I was like, damn, we just wasted $10. Man, they got a few go for $90. Yeah, and don't forget to use those survey coupons if you have them. And if you bought something recently, look at the receipt, fill out the survey, you get a $10 coupon. Not bad. Haven't checked out Extreme Board Shop in a bit. Did come to see if they got some SB Dunks. They got a bunch of Nikes on sale, $50. If you're into skate shoes, I think these are Janowski's, right? Oh, these are Shane's right here, going for 40, 50, 50. They got some ice shots right here. Got some GT Blazers, $50. They got pretty decent sale if you're in to the SBs, Grant Taylors and stuff. The Leo Bakers, pretty dope colorway. Right here down to 60. And the SB Dunks, they got the black and they got the white. That's it. They got a few sizes left. My kiddo's cousin, he wore these over, and I told him I might go play hoops in like an hour. He's like, oh, I'll just use the Dunks. I was like, no, you can't do that. Can't do that, man. I think Bossco talked about this. I guess they opened one of these in Sherman Oaks. Rookie Kids. Kind of like a Foot Locker Kids. Guess they're coming soon. And that's right next to our locker room by Lids right here. Let's go see what's up. They do got 50% off now. It started off at 30, now it's at 50. They got the Bobby Boucher jerseys right here. This is an XL. I think these are what, $80? $80 or something like that. Like I said, $80 down to 40. Lakers basketball. This is a Nike. This is pretty nice. It is a long sleeve. And what they price it for? $50, so $25. Pretty clean. This is $10. $10 and it's 50% off. Are you serious? So $5. Holy cow. Checking the mediums. You do got Rams hoodies 56. Remember, you do get an extra 50 off of all this stuff. Cowboys hoodie right here. This is a medium. And what this, I don't know what this going for. $33. 33 bucks. I think this is a kid's. This looks kind of small. It's a medium, but no, it's a men's. Chargers hoodie. It is the summer, so you'd think everything's hella cheap. 56 for that one, so $28. Got t-shirt, Steelers t-shirt. This is a Nike dry fit, 20 bucks. Got Chargers going for 30. Pretty dope UCLA t-shirt. This is a Jordan brand large, $33. Oklahoma, Columbia, going for $73. Yeah, Columbia is usually hella expensive. More of the Cowboys. This one's listed for $49, so that other one might have been mismarked. There's one more. Yeah, that other one was marked like 33 or something. Rambus jerseys, Kirk Rambus, 135. This is a medium right here. Is this 50 off too? It doesn't really say. Longs right here. These are an XL, $62. Okay. Lakers hoodie right here. This one is dope. Holy cow, this is dope. What's this going for? $115. So definitely not cheap. Dang, dude, that one is dope. That's a Mitchell and S right there. Got another Lakers hoodie right here. That one was a jacket though. This one's a hoodie. $170. Oh, my bad. Both of them are hoodies. My bad. My bad. Lakers go for $90. Mac Jones. Saw these hella cheap at one spot. $130 for those. $60 for the Durant jersey. Penny Hardaway right here. 101. Large Lakers short, $64. Pretty sure this is all 50 off because, yeah, man, prices wouldn't have gone up. Wouldn't have gone up because they still have their semi-nuclear sale, I believe. Okay, so this rack is 30% off. So they're trying to be a little stingier. So everything on this rack, 30% off. Murray jerseys right here. Go for $151. So a lot of this stuff, it's the same stuff that we saw a while ago. Another Kirk Rambis jersey right here. So these are $90 and then still 30 off. This is $5, dude. I don't know. I know it's not gonna fit me, but $5, dude. I'm gonna grab it. Why not? And they do have select hats for $20. Looks like they got a decent number as well, but I'm kind of in a hurry. $5 plus tax. I don't know. I give it to my kid or something. I don't know. $5 plus tax, dude. This spot has 3 different resale stores. Kind of crazy. United, Rundown LA, as well as Hidden Soul. I don't know how they all remain open and doing well, because, like, I don't know, nobody got money for resale right now, do they? All right, we got JD Sports. Damn, I guess they're trying to make it a premium location. This place doesn't even have a sales rack. What the hell? No sales rack? What's going on here? Looking for new releases. Not really seeing much. Got these on sale. Not bad, not bad. Cortez's, $30 off. They're still pushing the Air Max D ends right here. Never seen anybody wear them. I think the Olympians, they hooked up the Olympians with a bunch of these because they want to showcase them. $170 for that one. $160 for the all white right here. Dang, I guess they increased the price during this release. But yeah, $160 for these. I swear to God, I've never seen anybody wear them. They are pushing the hell out of them. I don't know. Are they comfortable? I don't know. Trying to see if they have any new releases. I swear JD's been releasing stuff hella early lately. Not really seeing much though. Not really seeing much. We've seen those fake Tiffany Dunks, $50 or $60 off. But yeah, not much. All right, I skipped Foot Locker. All right, let's try the Chic right here. Then of course they got the dope Jordan display right here. And they got a bunch of Jordans that are not around at most spots, right? This one's on sale, right? Tell me it's on sale. Yeah, $140 right here. Do they really have these right here? The black toe Jordan 1 low OGs? How the hell do they still have these? That's crazy. $140 for these. And they got the 2 latest ones right here. Gray and silver bad boys. These have been on sale at some spots, right? Yeah, $150. Man, if you grab these when they had their 20% off sale for that week, man, that would have been fire. They got these, the green glow still as well. 6s, Oreo 6s right here, 2 bills. And they still got a couple of 13s left. I think these are sold out at most spots. I think these will definitely end up at the outlets. I thought I knew the Jordan slides pretty well, but no, not these. Not these. What the hell? These are $30 for these. Is this a women's slide? They look a little bit smaller. Yeah, it is a women's Jordan Sophia. So $30 for those. Then yeah, you guys mentioned in the comment section, these released last week out in LA at a lot of spots, but they just came out. But these released like a week ago. Stuff happens quick in LA apparently. They still got these fours, probably in smaller sizes. And then just like that other location, they got Yeezys and more Yeezys. $230 for the 350s right here. They got slides. Men's slides right here. That's kind of crazy. Man. Then they got these NMDs right here down to $90. $90. And I got a couple more of the Yeezys right there. Keep forgetting to wear these 120 for those. $139.99. I think that's retail for that one. And these are down to 100. And then Nike basketball, seeing if they have anything like hella budgety. Not really. $50 for the Zoom Freaks, which we have seen at quite a few spots, but I don't see anything crazy. I was gonna see if they have any witnesses or something, but nah, they don't have none. Dang it. Like an eggplant colorway of the LeBron 4s right here. Yeah, these so remind me of the foam posits right here with the material and stuff. Super heavy. 2 bills. It's a little bit on sale because they started off at like $240, right? $250. Dang, $250. And lately we've even seen the OG Barclays on sale down to $130, and these are on sale to $110. And they still do have the diamond toes right here too. That's pretty dope. Deion Sanders getting some love. I love that. I gotta go, man. I gotta go play some hoops. Air more up tempos. Tank top. I swear to God, I wear a tank top all the time. Tank top, shorts, and I have a backpack because I got my mobile. I got my T-Mobile phones. Got my T-Mobile phones. I didn't want to leave it in the car. I don't trust people, man. It's crazy. Yo, New Era T-shirt. This is a small material on this. Just so amazing. It is so thick. Holy cow. Do you guys have shoes everywhere like I do? Just realized I need to clean up all my shoes from this past week, dang it. Yeah, but this material is just so thick and so nice. Holy cow, I can't believe this came out to $5. Normally, $40? Your boy's been losing some weight. 10 more pounds. I think this will fit perfectly, man. This will fit me perfectly. That's dope. $5 t-shirt. That's what's up. That's the Lakers logo on it. That's what's up, homie. That's what's up. Alright, now I'm annoyed like hell. I was wondering why I set off a couple alarms today. Look at this. These fools forgot to take the tag off.